Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Diego here in Bogota, Colombia, waiting for the K1 visa process to get adjudicated at the Service Center in California. The lovely Karina from Venezuela is at work. She's an accountant. She's a manager of a ice cream store. She's always busy. She's your conservative capitalist superstar. Now, we're starting month 6 as we wait for this process to move along. So we've got a long way to go before we even think about inquiring about our case. We won't even ask about our case until probably July of 2023, next year. So here I am in Colombia waiting out the process with Karina. Okay? Now, this video is just to help you guys, be motivated and stay strong through this entire process, okay? Filling out a Form I-129F is very easy as long as you follow directions. In fact, putting together a K1 visa package is a simple thing. It's just a lot of work. Now, I've been watching some YouTube channels, some immigration attorneys, trying to get some insight into what's the difference between you guys filling out your form and processing your visa versus an immigration attorney. Now, I watched one immigration attorney on a YouTube channel. He was horrible. I mean, I'm not going to say who it is, but he's trying to scare you guys into making out that this is a difficult process, that if you don't use him or her, then your visa is going to be delayed or whatever. It's total baloney, okay? Your visa process won't speed up if you use an immigration attorney. An immigration attorney will use the same processes that you can use, fill out the form, send it off, etc. So I'm watching this channel, I'm watching this immigration attorney spout off his rhetoric, trying to scare you guys into using his services, and he said, or she said that immigration is racist, and that they slow down, they just sit on your case. He said all these things. He said he was disparaging governors in different states in the United States, bashing his own country, man, in order to scare you guys into paying for his services, okay? Totally unprofessional. I was absolutely disgusted by his channel. And so I plugged in there. I don't recommend this channel, and I don't, okay? You, Mr. Sponsor, are responsible for bringing your fiance to the United States, not an immigration attorney, okay? Mr. Sponsor, Mrs. Sponsor, it's your responsibility, and you can do this, okay? Is USCIS racist? No, absolutely not, okay? Federal law prohibits such activity, okay? Immigration don't care what the color of your skin is, whether you're black or white or yellow or red or green. They don't care. What they care about is that your relationship is absolutely 150% real, that you, Mr. Sponsor, and you, Miss Beneficiary, love each other, and you're going to get married, and you, Miss Beneficiary or Mr. Beneficiary, are going to get married and live and reside in the United States of America. If you get your green card and the next thing you do is you take off and you disappear for 6 months into your home country, that's not good, okay? So when you get married, get your green card, live in the United States, okay? Does USCIS deliberately sit on a package, a visa package that you submitted because you're from a particular country that immigration officer may not like? No, that's not true. USCIS will sit on your package if there's administrative processing. If you messed up your visa package and they sent you an RFE, request for further evidence, they're going to sit on your package until you respond to the RFE. Your visa process stops, okay? Immigration is basically a cold ice machine. No emotion, nothing. It's just a giant bureaucracy that is helping you, Mr. Sponsor, bring your beneficiary to the United States through the kindness and the goodness of the heart of the State Department, because they don't have to do this if they don't want to. This is a benefit, not a right. Okay? Just because you're married to a foreign national, Mr. Sponsor, doesn't mean you have a right to bring your wife to the United States. It's not a right, it's a benefit, okay? Now, we are processing these videos. Karina's at work right now, but the lovely Karina from Venezuela sends you guys her best wishes. And we want you to stay strong through this process. It's a long process. We understand. I'm going to fly back to the United States next month, October 2022, take care of business, and then I'm going to come back to Colombia and spend more time here, okay? But remember this. One day, you will have your fiance on a plane, leaving his or her home country, flying to the United States to get married. And we're happy for you. We put these videos together to help you understand the process, okay? And our videos are created as simply as possible. So, you know, if you watch an immigration attorney YouTube channel, it could be complicated, it could be scary, they could be trying to intimidate you, whatever the case may be. It's an easy process. Follow the directions in the USCIS.gov website. Make sure you use the correct forms. Don't use outdated forms. It's common sense stuff. And in the time that we've been making these videos for you guys, this is your channel, not our channel. This is for you guys in the K-1 visa process. We're making these videos. We've made friends in the beautiful Philippines. We love the Philippines. Our Philippine friends, we love you guys. Our Russian friends, our Ukrainian friends, we love you guys, okay? We've got friends in Nigeria. We have friends in Spain. All these different countries. I'm trying to remember. I don't want to miss a country because we don't want to disrespect you guys watching us in all these foreign countries. But we appreciate you watching our videos. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you have questions about the K-1 visa process, I will help you. This isn't my first rodeo. I know how to do this, okay? I've successfully processed a K-1, K-2, CR-1, and K-3 visas. I've been through this before, okay? It's not easy. It's a mental strain, but you are strong. You've got this. You can do this, and we're going to help you through it, okay? So hang in here, guys. To our friends around the world, we're here for you. We're going to get you through this process, and especially to our friends in the Ukraine, Belarus, and Russia. Now, you guys are going through a difficult time right now. Our Russian friends, our friends from Ukraine, Belarus, you didn't ask for this insane war that's going on right now, okay? Russia, the Russian government ordered the invasion of Ukraine, not the people. The people of Russia don't want this war. I would hazard a guess that 95% of all Russians don't want to be fighting Ukrainians. And now you're in this visa process and you're stuck in this difficult situation, so you have to go to Poland on a Schengen visa just to go to your K-1 visa interview. And we feel for you guys. We're going to help you through that process, okay? So to our Russian and Ukrainian friends, we know you guys love each other too. You don't want to fight each other. You got Russians with family in Ukraine. You got Ukrainians with family in Russia. This is a government problem, and I'm not sticking my nose into the politics of Russia. It's none of my business, but I want you guys to understand from Russia and Ukraine, we're going to help you through this K-1 visa process. We're here for you, okay? Hang in there. We love you guys, and Karina sends her best to everybody, and we will see you in Colombia.